Hi there. This is a UV sterilizer with wireless charging. So it's a two-in-one product. So what happens is that if you charge your phone in there, you can also sterilize it. Or another way, when you sterilize it, you can also charge the phone inside. So I got it from Shopee. At first I thought it's made by Samsung, but it's actually designed for Samsung. So let's take a look at this case, the box. Well, it's imported, diedarkan oleh Samsung Malaysia. It's actually imported in by Samsung Malaysia. So I guess this is a legit product. Yep. So the specs, I don't think I need to do a lot of review on that. It's just a sterilizer. So what it does is that it cleans the belongings. So it's not just your phone. It can be your watch or anything that you can fit in. And it kills up to 99% of the harmful bacteria. That is very nice. And it supports wireless charging. So this is basically what it does. So let's open the box. Alright, so this is just a empty box. So you give this thank you note, and this is the receipt. I got it for 77 ringgit. It's actually 99, but I got it during a Shopee event, so 20 ringgit off. So this is it. Let me just open this. It fits just nice. This is the plastic, and there you go. It's just a very simple box. Okay, let's check out this part. There's nothing but just a USB-C port for you to charge, and there's just a button there. This is where you want to sterilize. You click on it, and I've actually used it before, so there's some marks there. Never mind. And it says UV sterilizer. I don't see any Samsung here. Oh yeah, there is Samsung CNT. Well, anyway, so inside, this is how it looks like. Okay, we'll go through this later. I think you're more interested of the interior of this part. So it says wireless charger here, and this is where they emit the lights, the UV lights here as well. So once you put it in there, whatever you have, most likely a phone, I got a phone here, so it's going to be fitting just nicely. 6-inch phone, so you can go up to maybe another 2-inch. I think one more inch. 7-inch phone will fit it right in as well. Okay, let's look at what they have here. Basically, this is just a user manual in English, France, German, Portuguese, Korean, Chinese, both simplified and traditional. So I guess it's just a very simple thing. Okay, let's look at this. Sterilization switch, LED indicator. Then inside you have a ultraviolet lamp. In middle is the wireless charging, and this is also our ultraviolet lamp. So wireless charging is in the middle, the lamps are at the side. Okay, what is this? It's just a cable. It's just a USB-C cable. So let's try it. USB-C. Then I have a power bank here, which I think will be able to power up the sterilizer. And I got a phone here. There you go, it's charging wirelessly. So what I do is close it, press on this button. There you go. You see that? There's a green light here. So when there's a green light is on, means it's sterilizing. So it takes about 10 minutes before the light goes out. Means that every 10 minutes it will be able to sterilize and clean and kills all the bacteria in there from my phone. So besides that, I can also clean my power bank, my another phone, with no wireless charging and any other things. Yeah, your watch, your chopsticks, your toothbrush, you name it. Yeah. So to off it, it's pretty easy. Click it again, it sounds beep beep, then it stops, and there you go. Yeah, it's still charging. Yeah, the lightning is still on. Okay, I think that's about it. Thanks for watching, and please do click on the subscribe button, because there are a lot of people watching my videos, but only about 1 to 2% of them are subscribing. So please, I do want to reach the 1,000. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.